Good Wednesday afternoon. This is Sandra Moore, Independent Avon Sales Representative, Bronze Leader, Team Leader of the Cloud Climbers, and we are going to talk Top Shelf Serums today because that's what's featured on Campaign 24, or in Campaign 24, on the front cover of Campaign 24. We have the inside, the welcome to the serum bar, and you see that we have quite a few serums. Now these are just the face serums. We also have serums for your hair, but we're not going to talk about those today. We've got a few of those now and getting more, but we're going to talk about these because the offer right now is that you get the free Eye Lift Pro, which is one of our it's our top selling eye care system. You've got your eye lift gel and your moisturizing cream for under the eye. The eye lift gel goes above the eye on the lid, the cream under the eye, and this is absolutely free when you purchase one of the serums, and the serums are on sale right now too, so you're getting a really good deal there. Okay, now we're just going to jump in here and talk about the different serums. The first one is the vitamin C, and Janine, who does a lot of our Avon skincare and makeup training, particularly skincare, she says if you're going to have any serum, you should have this serum. That this is like number one for her in her book, okay? And what this does is brighten your skin. It does have a potent antioxidant. It's got vitamin C to help visibly repair skin damage and boost the radiance of your skin. Now, I have a bottle of that. This is the older version that I'm holding in my hand because I'm still using up some of that. The newer version is the one that you're going to see in the brochure, and it just it's just a slight formula change to make it a little less tacky. I don't have any problem with this one, but they just decided to change it a little bit and make it just feel a little better to your skin when you're using it. This one is great for daytime use. You can use it at night too. But yeah, vitamin C. First thing I should tell you about serums, though, before we really get into looking at all the different ones, is that a serum is, a lot of times people wonder what product to use first if you're using various products, and particularly if you want to use more than one serum, which one you would use first. Serums do go before moisturizers. They would go on as soon as you've cleansed your face. You would want to put on your serum, okay? Now, if you do want to use more than one serum, which you can, I don't recommend doing more than a couple morning and a couple in the evening, and it's recommended that you kind of wait a few minutes in between the serums, give each one time to absorb into the skin. But if you're going to be using a moisturizing serum like this Hydrofusion, and you see mine's just about empty, this is a very nice container because as you pump the top, the base, you can see here, it goes up, so that you can see that you're getting all the product out of this, okay? Because this one does not unscrew to where you can take it apart to dig out somebody might be able to chisel it apart or something, but it should pretty much all come out just by pumping it, okay? So this one is the replenishing serum. It is almost like water, and so it's just I'm looking at my hand and not at the camera. I should look at the camera. So it's very lightweight, okay? Just like that, and it's pretty much absorbed already, okay? So very lightweight serum, and that one would go first if you're going to be using 2 or 3 different ones. I use that one. I use different ones on different days depending on what my skin needs, and that's basically the way you can determine what serums that you need. You can go online to my online store, SMOORE.avonrepresentative.com, and look at the different serums and what they do, what the ingredients are, and all of that to decide what is best for you. But some days my skin feels drier, and so I would use the replenishing serum, the Hydrofusion, which is hydrator with hyaluronic acid, and that for all over. This one more for just particularly, you know, if you want to use that one and this one, you can use both. Or if your skin is extra dry, you can use this one. This is also in the Hydrofusion line, but it has 1.5% hyaluronic acid, so it's got a little bit more of the key ingredient in it, but it's a little thicker. You can see that it's a little thicker. It does work differently from the other one, and it does have the screw off top, you know, if you needed to get into it. So, but when it pumps out, you see that stands up a bit. That is a thicker, it's sort of a liquid gel, okay? But it still absorbs in quickly, and a little goes a long way. So that one, I'm gonna have nice and moist hands here. Okay, so hyaluronic acid on those two serums. Use the replenishing serum first, and the other, just my nose in particular gets drier. And so I might just, or here, you know, on the as you get older and you get those fine lines, you might use more right in here. Just touch that on. And by the way, when you're using the serums, patting them in is best, not rubbing all over, okay? Put the serum in your hands and, you know, rub your fingertips together and just pat it in, okay? Now, I was going to show you on the vitamin C. This is the color of the bottle. That's not the color of the vitamin C serum. Let's go ahead and do that one too. Well, actually it is slightly yellow. Not quite as yellow as that bottle. That bottle is one of the extra protections for your serum. Keep it a little bit more protected from the light. This one smells vitamin C-ish. It's got a little bit of a citrus scent. So that one is great for the brightening. So we've got the moisturizer, we've got the brightening. We have a very popular product, Power Serum. Now, I don't have this one open because I'm not using it right now. I'm using the others, and so I didn't have an open bottle of this. I'm going to keep this one intact for my customers, but it is a, well, I can go ahead and show it to you in the brochure. And you're going to learn about all of these if you look at the brochure, either, you know, if you get one from me or look at it online. This one is made it's the Power Booster. It's Power Serum, and it's made to boost the benefit of any moisturizer that you use. So you can use it morning or evening before your other moisturizer, okay? And it's got just a pump top there too. And so it just helps the moisturizers to work extra well, and people love it. And the other one I wanted to show you here is a new Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir. Okay, so it comes in a black bottle, box like this. And it has two parts. So when you pump it, I should have one of these around, but I didn't dig it out. When you pump it, you just push down on both parts at one time, and both parts come out, and then you blend them together, okay? So, you know, I just pump it down on my fingertips, blend it around. You've got more of a liquid gel type and a cream. And so you rub those around and pat that on, once again, before you use your moisturizer with, a lot of your moisturizers have sunscreen in them. So serums go first, then moisturizers. We do have one sort of a serum. It's not in this offer here because this one doesn't come out until campaign 5, but this is the Green Goddess facial oil. Okay, so it's not exactly a serum, it's a facial oil. And this product actually goes on after your moisturizer, but I wanted to go ahead and show it to you since it kind of is in that same category as this could be as a serum. So anyway, this is just a very lightweight oil. We'll go ahead and put that on the back of my other hand. This is a CBD oil, but it's made for the skin. This is not something you want to take internally. It's just for the skin. It has only 8 ingredients in this. It's a very clean product, and it's a dry oil. So you put it on after your moisturizer, and you could even pat it on on top of your makeup if you want. So we'll just go ahead and use that so it's not wasted. Okay. It absorbs into the skin through moisturizers, and that'll probably just give me a little bit of an extra glow on top of my makeup. Okay, so that's not included in the offers to get the eye lift free, but all of the other serums are, I believe. Let me double check that, make sure I didn't miss any serums. Okay. Oh, I didn't show you the anti-pollution serum. Forgot to show you that one, but yes, we've got the 2 hyaluronics. We've got, here is one that's the clinical retinol. That's another one that Janine says she would not do without, is a retinol product. And I forgot that that is considered a serum too. It's in the new clinical line, and it once again has a pump. All of these, I guess, pump. Yes, they do. All of them pump. Okay, so this one, we've pretty much got each one featured on its own page, I think. Well, no, we get over to here, we've got okay, let's see, we've got the page numbers here of where to turn to find the different serums. But anyway, that one is also included in the one that you can get the free eye lift with. Okay, so eye lift is it's more than a $21 value, because generally when it goes on sale it's $21.99, and full price a good bit more than that, but everybody buys everything on sale, right? So you're getting that, plus each of these serums is on sale. Okay, the anti-pollution serum is to use daytime. That would be a daytime serum. Most of these you can use day or night, and the anti-pollution is mainly day, because you're protecting your skin from those environmental stressors that are out there. Okay, so there you have it. There you have the information about serums, and that you get the free eye lift pro if you buy one right now. We are still in campaign 4 through the day on Monday, if you're ordering online, or if you want to let me know what you need. If you want to try one of those serums, everything is covered by 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to try one of those, just let me know anytime that you want it, and I'll get that ordered for you, okay? If you have any questions about our CBD dry oil that we're excited to have coming next campaign, let me know. And there'll be two more. These are not serums. 2 more products in that CBD line. This is a nourishing body cream. I haven't even opened that yet. Shall we go ahead and open it? Let's do that. We're through talking about serums, and I think I've got a minute or 2 left before I have to hurry on to something else. Let me see if I told you everything I wanted to about the serums. Okay, yeah, you can go to my website to research any of those, and that's pretty much it. Okay. All right, the CBD Nourishing Body Cream. So 100 milligrams of CBD oil in the facial oil and in this, and then there's a more concentrated type cream in a pump, and I don't have that one out here. Okay, we've got the inner seal here that just pops out. Whoa! And this makes it's a very nice lightweight cream. Okay, y'all, it surprised me so much. If you've been an Avon product user for many years, you will remember Vitamoist and Rich Moisture face creams. Now, I think it's Vitamoist. Let me think. It's either Vitamoist or Rich Moisture, and I'm thinking Vitamoist. It smells just like it from my memory. Now, I've not smelled that in a long time, but from my memory, that's what that smells like, and I wasn't expecting that, so it was a pleasant surprise. to smell that. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm trying to get a little bit off the lid back in there. So one day I was doing this video a few weeks ago. I'm going to rub this in and see how this goes on my hands. And I mentioned that we had a product that we could now legally say reduce redness. Only I told you the wrong product. The product that we can legally say reduces redness is the Green Goddess CBD dry oil. It can be used, if you don't want to use it all over, you can just use it on red spots and it will reduce redness in your face, okay? So, that's been proven to do that, I guess is what they mean by we can legally say it. Janine's been saying that. We can legally, first product we can legally say reduces redness. So I guess that means the tests and studies have been done to show that it does. And so, yeah. So redness is a problem for your skin. CBD oil, Green Goddess, coming in campaign 5. Okay, gotta move on. And I will be talking with you again. Probably not next Wednesday, though, because I leave Sunday for my annual trip to Freed-Hardeman University to go work in the Associates Kitchen there, where I am an associate. And I'll be there working in the Associates Kitchen, Associates booth, helping with student scholarship funds until Wednesday. And I'll be returning home just in time for church. So I'm not expecting to be on here on Wednesday because I don't video while I drive. All right. Maybe I'll get with you Thursday or something. I know when I get back, though, I'm going to be really, really busy getting my orders out since I will miss Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to do that. So being out of town. Okay. But I will talk with you before too much longer. And we'll maybe have some more fun things to share. I've been learning about a lot of good products coming. And y'all aren't going to believe one of those that we're going to be offering. I didn't believe it myself. High-end skincare coming to Avon. Okay, we'll see. One product that I used today for the very first time, just saw it sitting here, thought I'd mention it. Makeup setting spray. Now, I've sold this. I've got repeat buyers on this, but I never used it myself. So, because I don't seem to have a lot of problem with makeup not staying on my face. But I set it with the makeup setting spray today. We'll see. That feels really weird to me, to get all your makeup on and then squirt what feels like you're squirting water on top of it. But people say this is wonderful stuff, so I decided to give it a try when I found that sitting here on my shelf. And so far so good. We'll see how it goes through the end of the day. Okay, talk with you later. Have a great evening. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you with your Avon needs, skincare, advice, whatever. Thanks. Bye-bye.